How to clear host cache in Chrome. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can clear host cache, or also known as DNS cache, on your Google Chrome. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna head over, open your Google Chrome, and you're gonna paste this, that is chrome:/net-internals/#DNS, and then simply press enter. Once you do so, you'll be taken over to this interface. Now all you need to do is simply type in the domain over here, and you can simply look up to the domain and host resolver cache. So you can simply click on Clear Host Cache. And once you do so, after that you're going to click on these three dots here at the top right, and then you're going to head over to Help and click on About Google Chrome. And over here, they're going to check for updates within Google Chrome. And here it says updating Chrome. So simply wait for the Chrome to get updated. And once it's updated, you'll notice that you have successfully cleared host cache on your Google Chrome. And that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.